Hello everyone, I am your friend WD Gann Trader. So today we are going to use a very interesting strategy on Nifty and analyze it in depth to know the date of the next reversal. Today we are going to use the relationship of two planets in the cosmogram to find the next reversal date. We will backtest our strategy on Nifty and check how accurate it is and the next date on which we may see a good reversal in the market. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first of all, open the Gannzilla application. Here is our Gannzilla application and we have to make the following changes. So for the today's strategy, we are going to use the cosmogram part. So just visible the cosmogram part from here. Choose the clockwise option. Angle we have to set as 0 degree. Systems we have two systems, geocentric and heliocentric. Choose the geocentric option. Now come to the location part. We have to select the city Mumbai, India as we are analyzing the Nifty. So here you can see two options, radix part and transit part. So for our today's strategy, we are only going to use the transit part. We are not going to use the radix part. So just visible the transit part. Now come to the date option. So select the today's date from here, 17 Feb 2025. Now come to the planets part. So for our today's strategy, we are going to use the planets Mercury and second planet is Saturn planet. So for our today's strategy, we are going to use the Mercury planet and the Saturn planet. Now come to the part of the aspects. So for our today's strategy, we are going to use the conjunction aspect. Now, what is the meaning of the conjunction? Conjunction means when two planets come very close to each other in the sky, or we can say when the distance between two planets is 0 degree on the zodiac circle. In Gann analysis, this is an important event that can signal big changes in the market trends, or we can say it helps to find the reversals in the market. Now, this is known as orb, ORB. We are not going to change the orb. Orb means the margin of error or deviation or allowable range within which two planets can form aspects. It indicates how close two celestial bodies need to be to form an aspect. We are not going to make any change in the orb part. So set it as 1 degree only. Today we are using Mercury-Saturn conjunction. The Mercury-Saturn conjunction has mixed effect. Means it can be bearish for the market or it can also bullish for the market. So we can say that it is good to find the reversal dates in the market. Now change the date from here and check when the next Mercury and Saturn are forming the conjunction aspect. So let's go forward in the date from here and you can check here on the date 25 Feb 2025 they are forming the conjunction. The Mercury and the Saturn are forming the conjunction aspect. So we can say that on this date 25 Feb 2025 we may see a reversal in the market. If the trend will be in the bullish direction, we will see a reversal in the bearish direction. Or if the trend will be in the bearish direction, we will see a reversal in the bullish direction from the date 25 Feb 2025. Now let's backtest it for the past dates on the Nifty chart to check how accurate it is. Let's go back in the past and check when the Saturn and Mercury are forming the conjunction. Change it to week here and let's go back in the past. Yes, now here you can see that on the date 29 Feb 2024, the Saturn and Mercury planet are forming the conjunction. Let's mark this date 29 Feb 2024 on the Nifty chart. So now open the TradingView app. The date is 29th Feb 2024. So here is our date 29 Feb 2024. Here you can see that from the past 4 dates, the market was in the downtrend. But exactly from the date of 29th Feb 2024, it started the reversal and given almost 400 plus points in the next 2 days. Here by the word reversals, we mean small retracements. Now let's go more back in the past and check more dates. Again open the Gannzilla application. Let's go more back in the past. Yes, here you can see that exactly on the date 2nd March 2023, we can see Mercury and Saturn are forming the conjunction aspect. So let's mark this date on the Nifty. The date is 2nd March 2023. Open the TradingView app. 2nd March 2023. Here is our date 2nd March 2023. Here you can see that market was in the downtrend, but exactly from this date it started the reversal and we can see it given 400 plus points easily. Now let's go more back in the past. Here you can see that exactly on the date 3rd March 2022, Mercury and Saturn formed the conjunction aspect. So the date is 3rd March 2022. Open the TradingView app. Here is our date 3rd March 2022. Here you can see that from the past 5 dates it was in the bullish direction, but exactly from this date it started the bearish direction, or we can say it started the reversal, and we can say it given the reversal of 600 plus points easily, and we can clearly see here it is working perfectly from the past 3 dates. So there is high chances that it will work for the 4th date too, which is our future date on the 25 Feb 2025, and every time it is giving 400 plus points easily whenever there is a Mercury and Saturn conjunction. First date, second date and third date, it is working with very high accuracy. So we can say that whenever any relationship is working from the past 3 dates, then it has high accuracy, it will work for the 4th date too. So our 4th date is 25 Feb 2025. So we can say we can see a 400 plus points reversal from the date 25 Feb 2025. So if the trend will be in the bullish direction, we will see a reversal in the bearish direction. Or if the trend will be in the bearish direction from the past 3 to 5 dates, so we will see a reversal in the bullish direction from the date 25 Feb 2025. I hope you all liked the video and learned something new today. Like, comment and subscribe as much as possible, which will inspire us to make more such videos. Target of 1000 likes for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.